Oh my gosh, you are gonna die. Do not let my mother die on that.
Yeah, use your left or right.
This is the brake?
Either one, but I would use this one. It's not very cool.
Okay, so what's the goal?
Twist that back. That little curve, or this thing, twist it back.
Okay, I got it. Camille, I said no.
I'm not.
That's here. I lost my cleanups, but like that.
Yeah, whichever foot you are, put your thumb in the line.
Oh my gosh.
Twist it and then hop on.
Okay, I'm okay, right?
And then twist it farther.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, that feels pretty good. I think he's very kind. He's very kind to let this woman do it. Yeah, that was fun. Okay.